Assalamualaikum and hi. In this video, I will explain what is process design and plant design in process and food industry. Before I explain further, let's look this process flow diagram for orange processing plant, which produce orange juice as their main products. Okay. Uh, in this process flow diagram, their main product consists of frozen concentrated orange juice and not from concentrate juice. There are two types. And this process flow diagram also shows other byproducts from the orange juice production, which are pulp. Okay, this is the byproduct, pulp, peel oil, and animal feed. Generally, process design refers to the design of food process and manufacturing methods. From this diagram, we can see that process design will establish the sequence of chemical and physical operations, operating conditions, the duties of each unit, major specification of all process equipment, materials of construction of all process equipment, the arrangement of equipment needed to ensure proper function of the plant, the line size, and principal instrumentation. While plant design, refers to the design of the whole processing plant, including the processing and control equipment, the utilities, the plant buildings, and the waste treatment units. Process and plant designs are often used interchangeably in the textbooks. The process and plant design are commonly summarized by a process flow sheet, material balance, energy balance, and a set of individual equipment specification. Depth or thoroughness of a process design may depend by different needs. Sometimes only a preliminary design is performed to evaluate the advisability or further research on a new process or a proposed plan expansion or a detailed design, and information from the preliminary design is needed to establish cost estimation for a complete design and construction. Sometimes from preliminary design, we may reveal lack of certain data needed for final design. The development of food process or plant design is based on the principle of food science, uh, food science, and technology, and chemical engineering, and on the practical experience of food engineers, chemical engineers, and food technologies. In plant design, in plant design, right? For plant design, it may involve other technical fields such as material, okay, material, science. It may also involve civil, mechanical, engineering, yeah, or management people, yeah. Sorry for this wrong spelling. Okay. Since the literature on research and development of food process or plant design is limited, thus we still need to prefer the basics of chemical process and plant design. Yeah. All right. So I hope this will give you some ideas on process design, and I will see you in the next topic. Okay. All right. Thank you. Bye.